All right, so I'm replacing my Milwaukee M18 chain, and at Home Depot, the Oregon chain is $8 cheaper, 16-inch, same size, than the Milwaukee chain. They're both Oregon chains. This is my old chain that I need to replace. That's how long it is. This is the Milwaukee 16-inch chain, exact same size. 16-inch Oregon is too short. It says 16-inch, but it's too short. So be mindful of that. Go Milwaukee. Spend the $8, or you'll have a hell of a time trying to get this 16-inch on your Milwaukee blade.